A new era of mobile is here with Galaxy AI. Presenting the S24 Ultra, the first Samsung Galaxy AI phone.
Galaxy AI? I don't get it.
Well, guess I'm gonna have to show them. Follow me for a live demo of our first feature, Circle to Search. It's a new way to find what you're looking for using just your finger. All you gotta do is circle it and find it.
Find what?
The lamp. Let me show you more. Landmarks. Circle it, find it.
Ooh, landmarks.
Thingamajigs. Whatchamacallits. Just circle it.
Cool.
I know.
Whoa, I think I get it.
Good. Next feature. With Live Translate, I can speak a bunch of languages with my own real-time translator. Let me call one of the engineers from Korea and show you.
여보세요? Hello.
Gina, hey, how are you?
난 잘 지내지.
I'm doing well.
So, I need an expert to tell Stuart about the amazing processor.
나한테 그 완벽한 영상이 있어.
Oh, I have the perfect video.
This is the Ultra's new processor, Stuart. With our fastest NPU for seamless, efficient AI processing, and an enhanced GPU and CPU for epic gameplay.
Oh? Oh, sorry, I was just gaming. Check this out.
So dude, this processor gives you the best ray tracing for the most hyper-realistic graphics ever on Ultra.
Nice.
Plus, it's easy to stay chill with Galaxy's biggest vapor chamber yet. All right, playtime's over.
Aw.
'Cause it's design time.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at that. AI smart, meet titanium tough,
Can I touch it?
with an enhanced, anti-reflective, scratch-resistant display. Dude, you ruined the beauty shot.
Just wanted to say, whoa.
You could have just said that. Moving on, camera. So get this, the new Pro Visual engine uses AI to deliver amazing colors, extreme detail, and easier editing. The first quad telesystem enables 4 levels of optical quality zoom and up to 100 times digital zoom, all enhanced by AI. Oh, and it's got a new zoom sensor with 60% bigger pixels and a wider OIS. So you can shoot ultra-stable 8K videos and 50 megapixel photos. Watch this. Whoa! With the S24's enhanced nightography, it's easy to shoot far, even in the dark. Then, you can resize and retouch your snap in a snap with generative edit.
Wordplay.
Boom. So there you have it, Stuart. Galaxy AI is here. And it's a whole new way to do epic things. Just like that. So, do you get it now?
Whoa, there's so much I
Don't worry. I summarized it for you.
Mon Dieu! Lots of visitors today. Look at this line.
They're all here for the Mona Lisa. She's always been this popular. Look at them, especially those people. How do they expect to get pictures from all the way back there? Ooh, what is that?
Wait, is that the new Galaxy S24 Ultra?
What does it do?
It's Samsung's smartest AI-powered camera ever, designed to enhance the way people use zoom in their day-to-day. With the new 5x optical zoom lens with 50 megapixel sensor, they closed the gap between the 3x and 10x zoom lenses and found the optimal hardware combination for high-quality photos and videos. This fresh new lens even delivers top-notch optical quality and 10x zoom.
Ooh, so sharp.
Looks like that's not all.
Oh, what's happening over there?
When you pinch to zoom on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it automatically switches between the lenses, so you get incredible quality at every zoom level. And with Samsung's new AI solution, details come to life. Marvelous, right?
Absolutely. Get a shot of us too. I've always wanted to be a model.
That is impressive. How does it work?
The Galaxy S24 Ultra captures 50 megapixel images with the new 5x optical zoom lens, then crops the center of the screen to create an impeccable 12 megapixel image with no loss in image quality. Thanks to the new improved NPU, the AI is faster and more accurate. This means it can perform multi-frame processing and super resolution simultaneously from the get-go. So cropped 12 megapixel images still have top-notch quality. Galaxy S24 Ultra optimizes separate frames into a single exceptional image.
Wow! Bravo!
Hold for your applause. There's more. AI quickly analyzes images from both cameras even before you press the shutter. And based on the recognition of different types of subjects, it fine-tunes details in each area. The AI touches up the skin, sharpens details like grass and trees, and even amplifies subtleties in clothing and hair to give you optimal results with maximum detail. Galaxy S24 Ultra's powerful AI technology is sure to once again wow people with its unparalleled picture quality.
Impressive! Samsung Galaxy's smartest AI-powered camera. So epic!